Hi! Doing a Lootcrate unboxing. I've had a Lootcrate subscription for a little over a year, but this is the first Lootcrate YouTube video. Okay, package assistant. Thank you. You too. Ooh. The theme this month, I believe, is versus. Okay. Remember, I believe it's versus this month, and we have a T-shirt. Star Trek. Mirror, mirror. Okay. We have an Alien versus Predator figure. Okay. Okay, open it. You gotta do it in front of the camera right here.
It got a backpack. I want it.
Okay, you gotta open it. You want me to help you?
No.
Ronnie, right here. You gotta do it right here. Okay, we do it right here. Here, let Daddy help you.
No.
This could be a long video. Can Daddy help you?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Here, let Daddy just help you. Okay. Well, here, scoot right there, and Daddy's gonna go through other stuff in the box. We have a Daredevil beanie. But it's not just a Daredevil beanie. Punisher. I think I'm gonna rock the Punisher side. I did watch all of Daredevil season 2 because I have no life. I have a wife, but when she's, when I get home from work and she's looking at me right now, so I'm gonna be in trouble. Can Daddy help you?
No.
And we have a Batman vs Superman wallet. It's the paper wallet. Ooh, $5. And it comes with a coupon. I'm not gonna let you see the code. This is the Mighty Wallet. Mighty Wallet. Comes with a $5 off coupon inside.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, show all 3 people that are gonna watch our video. Show them. It's an alien, 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 alien. And we got the Lootcrate pen. Got the Lootcrate pen.
I got this one.
And what do we have? Oh, we have the book that goes through everything.
Daddy, well, why I got that one right here?
Word gush.
Look, Daddy.
What?
Well, why I got that one right here?
And a Harley Quinn comic book. And that's all for the Lootcrate. That's all. Until next month for the Lootcrate. So, Ronnie, you want to say bye to the world? Come here. Say bye, world.
No.
Bye, world.